Hello, my name is Karen Andrea Gomez Murcia. Today I will presentation the consonant and vowel sounds. Table of cons. 1. Alphabetic table, presentation of alphabet and division. 2. Monophthong vowel, description of each vowel. 3. Diphthong vowel, description of each vowel. 4. Consonant description of voiced and unvoiced consonants. It is division into three sections: monophthong vowels, diphthong vowels, and voiced and unvoiced consonants. Monophthong vowels: long vowels, a, branch, star, her, e, see, feel, sit. Nourishment, purple. O, floor, forest. U, soap, pool, spoon. E, bring, ticket. Box, mom. U, mountain, font. E, bed, Mary. Rhombus, banana. Junk, love. A, rectangle, back, flag. Diphthongs vowels: ya, here, here. A, crane, train. B, wa. O, goes, snow. Oi, coin, noise. A, chair, square. I, tie, right. Ow, flower, gown. Consonants, voiced consonants. P, p, picture, pocket. F, f, foot, feather. T, t, text, tidy. Throat, clothes. Ch, ch. Satchel, pitch. Scent, sick. K, k, kettle, kidney. Sh, sh. Cushion, leash. House, hammer. Ongoing consonants. P, P. Bell, berry. V, V. Village, ville. Mm, mall, machine. Nature, nappy. Ensure, Engo. T, t, t. Dex. Dove. V, v. Leather. Mother. G, G. Bridge, branch, branch. Jam, jam. Yeah, yeah, yarn. G, g, give. L, leaf, lemon. R, rake. W, was. Z, zero. Z, z, z. Treasure, garage. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.